here is this app called Permission Sleep by CR. So let's explore how to create an account. This app is going viral right now. And it, with help of this app, you can basically try to stop selling your data for all these third-party data brokers and all of that. So you can also delete your data with a tab from some company's database. Then they will also reach out to dozens of companies to that broker data and tell them to stop you. So let's try it out. So to create an account, just download the app. I don't know if this app is available on Android, but here is on iOS. You can sign up with email, Apple or Google. So I'll just try to sign up with Apple because that's the way I sign up to majority of apps on the internet. And maybe if this app will use the same account, they will find like all of these things. So and then you just need to select the state. Many privacy apps read your inbox history to figure out who you do business with. We don't swipe through the standard set of companies assembled. If you see a company you have interacted with, take action so they start treating your data on your terms. So here you see that this is like the companies I signed up with or I had some account with. And then, for example, that's a Permission Sleep can submit a data request for you below. When we do this, the company might email you directly to confirm the request. And then, this data collects like these types of data. And then you can just send requests, for example, to delete your account. And then, for example, you can just try to delete an account through this app or something like that. So it can be quite helpful, for you to do that. And then, you can just swipe through. You can tap to view the previous cards. And then, it's like kind of Tinder. And then these are the apps I signed up. So you can see this is the services I used. Okay. And then I can see that this app is doing this kind of data. And then, you can just do a request to delete your account from, just send a request. And then you will see your request from here. You can see all requests and then completed. And then you can see your data dashboard. You can see all the community requests and then how much time saved and all of that. So basically the simplest form of request is just to delete your account. So instead of, of course you can manually go through any app and try to delete your account from there, but it will take you hours. So instead of doing that, you can just use this app. So and then also in this app, you can just delete account from here as well. So pretty cool.